they know the right hand for face. It's not like when you write AA on your forehead. But can you see it on my forehead that I have sickle cell? Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami Precious, and if you are joining us on this channel for the first time, this is the channel where we talk about sickle cell, everything that has to do with sickle cell, basically sickle cell lifestyle. As this is the second video that I am posting about sickle cell, I would like to let you know what sickle cell is all about, sickle cell itself. But before I jump right into what I know, to my own understanding about what sickle cell is, let's read this. That's it. In a simple English, sickle cell is a genetic blood disorder. It is a genetic blood disorder, and we have various types of sickle cell in a human body, not in every human body in that sense, but we have various types of sickle cell. We have HBSS, HBSC, that's hemoglobin, HBSS, SC, SD, SE, SB plus, SBO, and we have sickle cell traits. And what is sickle cell traits? Sickle cell traits, under sickle cell traits, we have AS and AC and many others like that. But the most common one that I'm sure we all know of is SS and SC. And when I was growing up, I felt a lot of people did not know that there was this type of genotype that it is called SC. There's a type of genotype called SC, and that's also sickle cell. They just have a tiny bit, a little bit different. And what is the difference? It's just the percentage of pain they feel. To me, that's just the difference. I don't want to believe any other thing for people. For me, that's the only difference that differentiates SC and SS. And the reason why we have SC, you know, I said it is a genetic disorder. Before it can become a genetic disorder, before sickle cell becomes a genetic disorder, we have a carrier of sickle cell traits and a carrier of sickle cell. When they come together, they will definitely give birth to someone who has sickle cell, or a carrier of SS and a carrier of sickle cell rather, and a carrier of sickle cell also. So they will definitely give birth to sickle cell. So imagine someone who is AC marry someone who is AS, definitely you're going to have SC. And in some other cases, if there's someone who is SS and there's someone who is SS, they can give birth to SC. That's the way the whole biology is all about, like the whole biology of the whole genotype compatibility. Sure. And what are the symptoms? That's one question I know that people used to ask, that how would you know someone is a sickle cell warrior? Well, they know the right hand for face. It's not like when you write AA on your forehead. Or can you see it on my forehead that I have sickle cell? Thank you. It's not like that. Thank you. So it doesn't know the show for face. and I'm being serious. So the only symptoms I know of is, it's not always a symptom, it's a sign that you used to know that okay, this person is a sickle cell warrior. It's probably their yellow eyes, bloated tummy, and that's the two major thing. If someone is slim, that does not mean like thin, that does not mean the person is a sickle cell warrior. And please, I would like to say this, don't call a sickle cell warrior a sickler. There's nothing. What's that? What's that? There's nothing like sickler in the dictionary. Is there? No. So those are the two signs I know that okay, you can use. And not everybody that have yellow eyes that is a sickle cell warrior, even the bloated tummy. So it is just, don't point hands at people that or at a person that you are a sickle cell warrior or you are a sickler. Sickler is even wrong. They are sickler just because of the color of their eyes and their bloated tummy. No, don't do that. However, we have triggers. Sickle cell warriors have triggers. They have what triggers their crisis. They, for example, stress, dehydration, lack of rest. Same thing as stress, but mental stress also, all kinds of stress could trigger the pain. It is just like the red blood cells, they die very quickly. They die very quickly in the body of a sickle cell warrior. So it takes a lot of daily routine medications, drinking enough water and all that to be able to stay on track with your daily activities as a sickle cell warrior, basically. And also, how can someone know that he or she has sickle cell? It's simple. Just run a genotype test, and that's all. A genotype test will tell you what the genotype is and what your blood group is, like everything. That's the only way you can know that, okay, someone is a sickle cell warrior, someone carries a sickle cell trait. So it is not by the look, it is not by the head, it is not by the shape or anything. A genotype test, a simple genotype test. And please, if you are running a genotype test, go to a very good and standard laboratory for the test, because there are a lot of cases that wrong lab reports leading to what we are seeing here today, and so on and so forth. So that's the way you can know someone has sickle cell. And one common question again about sickle cell itself is that, is sickle cell curable? Can it be cured? The only cure that has been found for sickle cell is bone marrow transplant, and again, people are not sure about it yet because of the significant risk that is involved in carrying a bone marrow transplant. That is the only cure that has been found to cure sickle cell, but it is not yet the actual cure for sickle cell. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something about sickle cell and you know that this is what sickle cell is. If you have any question about sickle cell, drop it in the comment section. I am ready to give you an answer to it. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell also, so you can get a notification once there's a new video up. See you in the next video. Thank you.